Today I decided to hit the road and go to a stream I had not been before. So let's go! At this area. Wow. Look at that. Oh no, it's raining. Ah, it's raining. Again, raining. Okay, let's get our raincoat. Got wet again. This is all wet. I'm wet. I'm all wet. At this moment, I'm not sure where to go. I know I'm near the stream that I'm looking for, but not yet there. A little bit of blue. Let's go. We're gonna cruise. Casitas. It's raining again. Pero ¿cómo? Let's go back. This is a farm. Maybe this is his territory. Oh. Hello. Cute. Okay, I think we should go down here. Please stay there. Oh. This way. I don't know how to get it. Seems dead end. Let's see. That's best full of fruit. Okay, let's try through here. So I think it's this way. We're almost there. Let's see. Okay. How are we gonna do? So, okay, we're gonna go this way. Let's try. We might get somewhere.
That goes down. I can hear a stream. Okay, we're back. Okay, nagpikan na patas.
In the next video, I will be exploring this area, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye!